everyone, welcome back to Trade Talk Tuesday. We're going to continue with our trading tips for beginners series today. And right now, I'm going to give you my number one tip for making your first options trade. Okay. Now, I know it's exciting, but I also know that it could be scary at the same time. You've funded your account, maybe you've bought a stock or two, but you now want to leverage your returns even more. So you're getting ready to make your first options trade, and it could be a little bit overwhelming. So that's why my number one tip for today is so important. Here it is, okay? Before you make your first options trade with your own real money, create a paper trading account and get familiar with how options trade using pretend money. Okay, the best way to do that, the very best way to create a paper trade account and trade it live in real time is by creating an account at tdameritrade.com. So here's what to do, okay? Go to TD Ameritrade and then create a new account. It's in the lower right-hand corner. So you click that, and then from there, you will bring up a page that gives you a bunch of options, and you click individual, open individual account. Okay, and then from there you'll put all your account information and create your account. Okay, once you've created your TD Ameritrade account, the next step is to install the Thinkorswim app or the trading platform. Okay, so when you download that and then you bring that up, and then when you're launching that, you're gonna see a toggle on the side that says live trading, and then it says paper trading. It's right underneath your username and your password for your paper money login. So what you want to do is toggle that over to the paper money account, and then it will launch an entire paper trading screen. And it's a ton of information. Here's what it looks like. It's going to bring up this big page with tons of tabs, tons of inputs, charts, options, information, everything, right? So this is now your paper trading account. You can have anywhere between 100 and 200,000 of live paper money to trade with. Now here's the thing, this screen, I admit, this screen can look totally intimidating, all right? But you're gonna wanna just click on everything, every drop-down box, everything you could see to just start getting familiar, because I would rather have you make mistakes when it comes to trading in a paper trading forum versus make a mistake when it's your own real money, all right? So start putting in Budweiser, start putting in Lulu, start putting in Nike, start putting in Clorox, and just trade a couple options, right? I'm gonna buy some Zoom, I'm gonna buy some Tesla, I think this stock is going down, I'm gonna buy some puts on this, right? So just start making these trades and then tracking how they do in real time, right? See how an uptick in Tesla affects the calls that you bought. See how a downtick, for example, in Clorox would affect the puts, and vice versa. This is the best way that I know of to understand truly how options work. I mean, I've read all the instruction manuals, I've read all the trading books. None of them is as effective as doing it yourself, okay? So here's an example. I actually have a paper trading account myself that I use to model out new strategies that I use. So before I use my real money, I use this trading account to test different methodologies that I want to use and see if they work. So the other day, here, bring this up, I bought 5 Lulu calls. So here's what the screen's going to look like when you have a paper trading account and you're making your trade. It's going to be at the bottom of your screen, and it shows you have a Lulu December call, you have the 340 strike, and this one I bought 5 of them. I bought them for $7.50, and right now they're at $22.45. So the P&L is $2,475. So again, this is a paper P&L, but this allows you to just dabble in options trading and get comfortable with not only how options move, but how the screen looks, because most of the time the actual options trading screen is the most intimidating part of the entire process. Once you get familiar with that, then you will have the tools and the knowledge necessary to navigate screens like this in a much easier way. So when it comes time to trading your own money, then you could hit the ground running and start making money trading every single day. So here's actually a pro tip as well. If you're trading your own account and you're not going to be at your screen, you could actually, in this paper trading account, learn how to, what I call trading on autopilot, which is if you entered a trade for, say, $1, you could put a sell limit on that at $1.20, which is above your entry price, and set it, good until canceled or good for the day. Then you could just leave. And then if that price hits, you've already locked in a winner. You don't have to be glued to your screen. So, it's trading on autopilot because you're putting your sell limit at ahead of time to lock in profits. And if that price hits, you don't even have to be at your computer. You could sell that, lock in a gain. So getting familiar with how to do this is another essential aspect of paper trading that you can kind of get familiar with before you're trading with your own money. And then once you've kind of mastered it, then you could dive right in and you'll be ready. You've got all the mistakes out of the way. You'll be ready to start making money for real. Now, okay, once you have your paper trading account set up, the obvious question is, what do you even want to trade? All right, well, that's where my trade of the day email service comes into play. It's totally free, and every single day I'll send you my top trade. So you could sign up, get my top trade for free, and then you could use your paper trading account to trade it and see how it does. If you want to sign up for trade of the day, click this link below, totally free, sign up, and then I'll start sending you my best trades every day. And on that note, that's my tip for today. As always, stop hating, start trading. See you here next week, and cue my exit music.